Hi guys, it's me, V, just a person who will be a straight A student if K-pop was a major. So, Nam Joo of 𝗙𝗢𝗟𝗟𝗪. My bias in 𝗙𝗢𝗟𝗪𝗪 is out with Bird. So, when I first saw this, I thought that it was a collaboration with 𝗠𝗘𝗗𝗟𝗓 of 𝗙𝗓𝗓, but no, I think 𝗠𝗘𝗗𝗓 made this song. Okay, but I'm so excited. I love Nam Joo. Okay, let's go. Oh, the eye makeup. And she's obviously an amazing dancer. And a great rapper and a very good singer. I love her voice. Okay. Ooh. Oh, I love the choreography. Damn. And we already know that she suits short hair, so. Oh. Oh, I love this part, this pre-chorus thing. No, maybe this is probably the main chorus, no, the pre-chorus. Oh, I love it. I love the different sets, filming sets. Ooh, what a queen! And her body, wow. Those abs though. Love the instrumental. Okay, so 𝗠𝗘𝗗𝗟𝗪 was obviously not in it, which I would have loved to see Nam Joo and 𝗠𝗘𝗗𝗟𝗓 together. That would be such a powerful duo. But no, I love this. Yes. Love Nam Joo. This was great, and great job to 𝗠𝗘𝗗𝗟𝗓, who made this. Like, what 𝗠𝗘𝗗𝗟𝗓 is such a talented producer, like songwriter, everything. She is, in my opinion, one of the most talented people in K-pop. Like, she is, whoa. And such a good song for Nam Joo as well. Loved it. Okay, let me know your thoughts on this, and as always, before you leave this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys again another time. Bye.